Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the world of English words, one at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is as fun as it is practical. Our word of the day is bike. That's right, bike, an A1 level noun meaning a two-wheeled vehicle. Let's explore this simple yet versatile word and see how it fits into our everyday lives. A bike is something most of us are familiar with. It's a lightweight, two-wheeled vehicle often powered by pedaling, but it can also include motorized versions like electric bikes. You'll see bikes everywhere, from kids riding them in parks to commuters zipping through city streets. They're environmentally friendly, great for exercise, and a fun way to get around. Let's talk about some synonyms for bike. A common one is bicycle, which is a slightly more formal way to refer to the same thing. For example, I ride my bicycle to work every day. Another synonym is cycle, often used in British English. For instance, she went on a long cycle through the countryside. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. While there aren't direct opposites, we can think of words like car or bus, which are vehicles with more than two wheels and don't require pedaling. For example, instead of riding a bike, he drove his car to the store. Another contrasting word might be walk, as it's a form of transportation that doesn't involve any vehicle. For instance, I decided to walk instead of taking my bike. In daily life, the word bike shows up all the time. Maybe you're planning a weekend activity and say, "Let's rent some bikes and explore the city." Or you might hear a friend say, "My bike needs a new chain. It's been making a weird noise." It's also common in expressions like learn to ride a bike, which symbolizes gaining new skills. Let's look at a few more examples in sentences. He bought a new mountain bike for his trip to the hills. I always wear a helmet when I ride my bike. Her bike was stolen, so she's saving up for a new one. Whether you're riding for fun, commuting, or exercising, bike is a word that keeps you moving forward. To wrap up, we've learned that bike is a simple yet essential word in English. It means a two-wheeled vehicle, and it's used in countless ways in everyday life. We covered synonyms like bicycle and cycle, as well as contrasting words like car and walk. I hope you enjoyed learning about this versatile word. Before we go, I'd love for you to subscribe to Hello Word if you haven't already, and please leave us a review. Your support helps more language learners discover our show. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word bike and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy learning!